How to add Vanilla Visa gift card to Apple Wallet. So if you want to add Vanilla Visa gift card on Apple Wallet, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. So the quick step is to open up your wallet app, which looks like this on your iPhone. Once you open up the app, then you must be signed into your Apple ID to use your wallet and Apple Pay. And be sure to update your device. And after that, tap on the plus icon, which will be on the upper right of your screen. Tap on the plus icon. Membership cards are added to Wallet through their associated app like Delta or Starbucks. In some cases, such as online tickets, you can add them through the confirmation email. And after that, simply go with the card type. You can go with debit or credit card or transit card or driver's license, any card that you are comfortable with. So if you have Visa card or gift card option, you can go with the gift card or simply go with debit and credit card. And once you go with that, once you choose the type of card you want to add, then tap on continue to move to the next screen. Not all regions support adding transit cards and driver's license to your Apple Wallet. Now position the card in the on-screen frame. Your iPhone will scan the number and other details on the face of the card. If you're having trouble with the image capture function, tap enter card details manually to type your card information. And after that, simply go with the on-screen instructions to finish adding your card. So that's how you can add a Vanilla Visa gift card to your Apple Wallet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.